Okay. Give me the spoon. At least you get the concept, right? At least you get the concept. Mmm. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. Yep. There you go. All done? I think there's still some on your spoon. Gotta eat it. It's still there, look. You gotta get it. I don't want that. Okay. No, you gotta eat it. Look. Get it all off. You did a good job. Yeah. All right, this is the last bite. This is all we got. Mmm. How is that cottage cheese? Is it delicious? Sure looks delicious. It sure looks delicious. Uh-oh. Did you get it? You found it. You got it. You did? I don't want it. Can we put this on there and you eat it? Here. Here. Quesadilla. You can put it on the spoon and push it in your mouth. All right, let's try it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can you wave? I love you.